What would an extra 500 euros every month do for you? That's 6,000 euros a year. It could pay for your groceries, build an emergency fund, help with rent, pay down debt, or become the money you invest every month. And here's the interesting part. You don't necessarily need a second full-time job to make it happen. There are several ways ordinary people in Europe can create an additional income stream, using skills, spare time, or things they already have. But there's a catch. Not every side hustle is worth your time. So let's start with one of the easiest places to look. The skills you already have. Number 1. Freelancing. Think about what you already know how to do. Writing, graphic design, video editing, translation, programming, social media management. Businesses don't always want to hire someone full-time. Sometimes they just need a task completed. And that's where freelancers can fit in. Imagine you find 2 small clients. One pays you 150 euros for a monthly task. Another pays 200 euros. Then you complete a few smaller jobs worth another 150 euros. You've potentially created an additional 500 euros a month, without adding another traditional job. The challenge? You have to find clients. And at the beginning you may have to compete. But if you already have a valuable skill, it's one of the fastest ways to turn time into additional income. Number 2. Online tutoring. You don't necessarily need to be a university professor. You might know English, Spanish, German, French, math, programming, music, or another useful skill. Europe is full of people trying to learn. And online platforms make it possible. Imagine teaching 5 hours a week. If you earned an average of 20 euros per hour, that's around 400 euros a month before taxes and platform fees. Add a few additional lessons, and you're approaching the 500 euro target. Number 3. Sell things you don't use. Look around your home. Old electronics, clothes, furniture, books, sports equipment. Things sitting in cupboards that haven't been used in years. One item might only make you 20 euros. Another 50 euros. Another 100 euros. Hiding inside your home. But this isn't necessarily a permanent 500 euro monthly income. That's the important distinction. Number 4. Sell a simple service locally. And this is where people often underestimate themselves. Dog walking, pet sitting, cleaning, gardening, photography, furniture assembly, tech help for older people. You don't need to build a company with 10 employees. You might simply have a useful skill that someone nearby doesn't have. Don't ask, what business can I start? Ask, what problem can I solve for someone? Number 5. Digital products. Instead of getting paid every time you work, you create something once and potentially sell it multiple times. Templates, spreadsheets, study notes, design assets, printable planners, budgeting tools. For example, imagine you create a useful budgeting template. You sell it for 10 euros. 50 sales would generate 500 euros in gross revenue. Of course, there are platform fees, taxes, marketing costs, and refunds. And getting those first customers can be difficult. But the interesting thing about digital products is scalability. With a traditional job, 1 hour usually produces 1 hour of income. With a digital product, the same creation can potentially be sold repeatedly. And number 6 is probably the slowest, but potentially the most scalable. Create content. YouTube, a newsletter, a blog. But let's be honest. This is not a quick 500 euros. You might make nothing for months. Then eventually, an audience can create opportunities. Now here's where things get interesting. You don't necessarily need one method to produce the entire 500 euros. Imagine Alex chooses 3. Freelancing brings in around 200 euros. Tutoring brings another 150 euros. And local services add another 150 euros. That's 200 euro plus 150 euro plus 150 euros. 500 euros. The exact numbers will obviously vary. But the principle is powerful. Instead of asking, how can I make 500 euros? Ask, how can I make the first 100 euros? Then 200 euros. Then 300 euros. Once you understand what works, you can decide whether to scale it. Because the goal isn't simply to make more money. It's to make more money for the time and effort you're willing to give.